presentations first. Second, I'd like to introduce Dr. Salman. And Dr. Salman holds a PhD in chemical engineering from the University of Sciences, Malaysia, in addition to numerous international certifications in the field of environmental management. Dr. Salman's achievements span nearly 3 decades of significant leadership in fields of environmental project implementation, environmental consulting, water purification, wastewater treatment, and laboratory analysis services. In 2009, Dr. Salman participated in the AIE competition of internationally accredited laboratories for analysis of soil patterns. He has provided critical projects management and implementation services to international private sector companies operating in Iraq, in addition to consultation and advisory services to the Iraqi environmental, chemical and drinking water companies since 2003. He works at the Ministry of Industrial and Minerals in Baghdad, Iraq. So, Mr. Salman.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good morning, my dear colleagues. You're welcome to this morning session. Actually, my talking today and the part of my research work in my country, also in Malaysia, which focus on the preparation of activated carbon from agricultural waste, and also use these activated carbon I prepared from different type of agricultural waste and absorption or removal of different pollutants which we detect in our environment. My talking today under the title of partial adsorption of carbofuran insecticides using activated carbon prepared from palm oil fronds and absorption technique. Yeah, all of us know that there are a different type of pesticide used in the world, in agriculture sector and also in the domestic sector. So we detect in my country, as example, different type of herbicides, insecticides, fungicides, and our river water and our aqueous solution. For removal of pesticides as one of the famous pollutants in aqueous solution, actually I found that adsorption technique using activated carbon it is efficient than the other methods, and it is because it is look like efficient and simple and easy to applicable in large scale. So I used adsorption technique in my work using the activated carbon I prepared from palm oil fronds, and I compare with the commercial one in my work. Actually, I use adsorption and batch study in this work, and also I have another results for the continuous. In general, activated carbon can be classified in 3 types according to the diameter, the pore diameter. So we can find microporous, mesoporous, and macroporous, which included different pore diameter. So if it is less than 2 nanometer, it is micro, and if it is within the range of 2 to 15 nanometer, it is mesoporous, and if it is more than 50 nanometer, it is macroporous. In my work for preparation activated carbon, actually the steps I follow for preparation activated carbon, I focus on preparation and preparation the starting material, which is the precursors, and here I used the fronds of palm oil trees, and then convert these precursors to char by carbonization using tubular reactor furnace, and then convert this char to activated carbon by physiochemical activation. Actually, all of us know that there are different types for activation. There's physical activation, chemical activation, and physiochemical activation. In my work, I use physiochemical activation for preparation activated carbon from the starting material. After that, I checked the specification of the activated carbon I prepared, focus on the surface area, the porosity, the SEM, and absorption by batch study. And the important thing for my work, I focus, can I reuse the activated carbon I prepared? Actually, I checked it. I found that the activated carbon I prepared can use multi-time by regenerate using ethanol as a solvent. This is the first picture show us the sample of the starting material. Starting with it, I mean the pieces of the fronds of the palm oil trees I using for my work. And the second picture show us the this is the furnace, tubular furnace I used for preparation char and activated carbon in my work. Actually, according to the results I collected, I reached the surface area for activated carbon more than 1,230 square meter per gram, and the other results for the commercial one. And if we compare between the two results, we can see the difference between the two results, which give us a good indication for using the activated carbon I prepared in our work. Also, we can see that the increasing of carbon from the starting material to the from the starting material here to the char to the activated carbon I prepared, we can see that the increasing of carbon in my work give us a good indication, because the important thing that we must reach a good value of activated carbon. These pictures give us, this is the SEM test for the activated carbon I prepared, and the first row for the commercial one, and it is good. I use it actually in my work and other research to give me good results. But the second row for the activated carbon I prepared, and we can see the arrangement of the pore at the surface. It is really it is good picture, and we can give me good results in my work. And I use this type of activated carbon and removal of different type of pollutant, pesticides, dyes, and also heavy metals. Thank you. Actually, in my work, I use this activated carbon to remove carbofuran from aqueous solution with a range of concentration, initial concentration from 25 milligram per liter till 250 milligram per liter. And here I reach the absorption capacity more than 160 milligram per gram. And I use the commercial one for the same work. I reach the absorption capacity with the range of 91.5 milligram per liter. And also for other researcher, he reached the value of absorption capacity within the range of 80 milligram per liter. And we can here see that the difference between the absorption capacity we reach by activated carbon we prepared and the absorption capacity for the same work using commercial one, and the absorption capacity for other type of activated carbon. Actually, it is give us a good indication that the activated carbon we prepared better than the commercial one. This graph actually for the absorption, for batch absorption for different type of initial concentration of carbon solutions and activated carbon. The dose of activated carbon I used here, it is 3 milligram And actually the initial concentration, as I mentioned, from 25 milligram per liter till 250 milligram per liter, and as we see that the absorption capacity increased with the increasing of initial concentration. The important thing I focus in my work actually, can we use the activated carbon, reuse this activated carbon after saturation? The spent activated carbon we prepared after use it in our work, can we use it again? Actually, I try to regenerate the spent activated carbon for 3 times in this work, and I found that the efficiency of regeneration is still high. So for the first cycle, the efficiency around 96, and for the third cycle, still 90. Actually, the activated carbon can use maybe for 4th or 5th cycle, but for this work, I check it for 3 times, and this one give me a good indication that the activated carbon can reused again. Actually, this work, part of my research work for preparation different type of activated carbon from different type of agricultural waste. This one I check it with carbofuran, with pentazone, with 2,4-D dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, also with some different type of dyes, with different type of heavy metals, and actually give me good results for water treatment work. Thank you.